One. Well, folks, tonight is a birthday dinner for someone. Mommy's out of town, so we can do fish. So what are we doing today?
We're doing salmon and lobster tails.
All right, we'll get this going and see what you... All right, first what we need to do is cut the tail open. So this is kind of tricky. You gotta cut the shell, and hopefully at the same time not really cut the meat. Now we want to cut it all the way down to just about to the tail. That. Next, you want to crack it open, which is not always the easiest part. So we want to take and pull the meat out. Like so, and then close her up and just set it back on top there. Might need to do a little cleaning. All right, that's it for that step.
So now we're going to cut the salmon like this.
Okay.
And go.
All right, so now we're going to get the lobster ready. So we're going to do a little seasoning with some butter we happen to have. We got a this is a garlic.
I don't think
butter.
I want butter on mine.
Well, it has to go on there to cook, or it'll burn.
I don't know. I don't know.
That's all right. You've only had that little taste of lobster. You really haven't had a tail yet. So, all right, we'll start there. Now we'll go on to season our salmon.
All right, so we're gonna be using this lemon oil, right?
Mm-hmm.
And we're gonna just like,
That's all right. Let's start spreading around.
oopsie.
That's right.
I didn't mean to make it go that fast.
Put a little more on here. Or probably that's not quickly.
I know.
But we're good.
I remember it coming out. So, all right, then you want to grab the lemon pepper.
Mm-hmm.
Then you want to sprinkle it. Then you want to do it to the side. I don't remember making this big of a mess.
Yeah, it happens. Cooking's not a clean sport.
All right, up. All right, then I'll cook it. All right, so we're gonna like spray the air fryer. I don't
Air
know.
frying cooking, so we're gonna put a little oil in there. So, all right, that's good.
Smells bad.
Move it on. There you go.
Is that good? There we go. Alright, so now we need to pick them up. Oop. Just put them in there. Now we put it in the air fryer.
All right, so what we'll do, since we said we'd do it in the air fryer, we're going to set up. We're going to cook it at 350. We are going to do 5 minutes this time because we got skin on. So after about 5 minutes, you should be able to peel the skin straight off. All right, so we're going to start that, and then we're going to go and get the lobster going too. All right, so next we're going to put the lobster tails in. We got our oven set at 400. These should take probably about 10 minutes to cook. So we'll put our timer on. Let that go. Start. All right. And tonight we're going to put some melted butter with it. And we're going to have some green beans with it. So those are working right now. All right. So we've gone through our first 5 minutes. So we will go ahead and take this out. Flip it over, which we probably should have had on that side in the first time, but that's okay. And then reach in, Just pull the skin right on off. So then we'll, ooh, a little warm on that other piece. But we will get the rest of the skin off the other ones and probably cook it for about another 5 minutes and we should be good. All right, let's see what our lobster looks like. Smells good. I think we need a couple more minutes on it. So we're gonna stick those back in for a few more minutes. And everything should be ready here in a few minutes. All right, so there we go. We've got, we cooked the lobster to about 135 to 140 degrees. The salmon, we cooked about 13 minutes. Actually, both of them were about 13 minutes to get them cooked. So put a little melted butter on there for the lobster. How's your birthday dinner look?
It's all right.
Looks all right?
Yeah.
Okay, well, let's hope it tastes a little better than all right. So that'll do it for now, and we will see you next time.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!